My name's Jonté Smith, played Cup Match for 2 years.
Good day, I'm Clay Smith, former cricketer, former player of Cup Match, played about 20 years of Cup Match, scored over 1,000 runs, been captain, now I'm coach of St. George's Cricket Club.
And just trying to make my mark on Bermuda sport.
Being a Smith, it was like you had to step up to the plate because Randall Smith, everybody knew Randall Smith. He was former captain, former coach, set the benchmark for all the St. George's players around, you know.
To be honest, it means more than a lot of people know. Growing up, I was getting thrown maybe 200 tennis balls a day as a kid, saying, today we're just going to play this shot. Discipline instilled in me from an early age is what has allowed me to do all of these things. So I'm thankful and I'm also proud.
I'm choosing one word to sum up Cup Match, it would have to be pride. Because when I put on, get me emotional just talking about it. Or when you put on that jersey and you look at the blue and blue and you see the sea of blue and blue around the field, it's about pride.
I think what makes Cup Match the biggest sporting event compared to the game that wins you the title in football or any other sport is that Cup Match is every single year, and it means a lot to the 60,000 people that are here on this island.
Bermuda Live on YouTube. Subscribe now.